Hello everybody. So my Allure Beauty Box just arrived. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. Let's open it up. It's like Christmas every month for $10. The subscription, I think, is fantastic. Love the little surprises that we get every month. Okay, the seal is broken and off. So, Allure Beauty Box. Oh, so it tells you what's inside. Good. A little more description. And let's look at this. Okay. I see the watermelon. I gotta see this. All right. Oops. This is, oh, it's a sheet mask. Glow recipe, watermelon glow jelly sheet mask, hydrating and soothing. Fabulous. My skin's a little dry. It's getting really dry here in the desert winter. I'll be trying this soon. Awesome. And then, it's traceless 3 hair rings. Oh, good. Okay. These are the, you see? 3 of them. All right, great. Always love having my hair pulled back. Oh, then here's another sheet mask. It's from Lapkos Daily Skin Mask Pearl. And it's pearl brightening. Okay, great. Then it says, oh, I got a $10 gift certificate from Anthropology. Thank you, Anthropology, toward your full price beauty product of $50 or more with code ANTHROBEAUTY. Thank you, Anthropology. What else is in here? From Patchology, there is Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Patch, so, okay, so this is all into skincare this month. Okay, perfect. Oh, yet another one. Oh my gosh. So what's this? It's Coco Star. It's a rose lip mask. So there's masks upon masks in this beauty box this month. And another one. Okay. Star Skin. Oh, exfoliating. These are the exfoliating foot masks. Cool. Okay. Who knew? Nothing but skincare masks this month. And then, last but not least, this is from Hollywood, California, Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So it's also a mask. Nothing but skincare this month. I'm in love. I am such a skincare diva. Love skincare. I do masks and treatments all the time. So these all are going to be used. They're going to be put to good use in the next couple of days. Thank you, Allure Beauty Box, and thank you all for watching. If this was entertaining, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a note in the comments and give me some thumbs up. I would love, love, love to hear from you. Until next time, everybody, love to you all.